Hello everyone, hope you are fine at your homes. My name is Jatin Verma of class 9th A. Today we will discuss about the topic solution, its types and its characteristics. Matter present in our surrounding can be classified as pure substances and mixtures. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances which are not chemically same and do not chemically react with each other. A mixture has same property as that of its components and elements have. It can be separated by physical means. In a mixture of sugar and sand, if we increase the volume of sugar, the sand remains the same. So it implies in mixture, components can be present in any proportion. When we dissolve common salt in a glass of water, we will obtain salt solution. But when we put mud in a glass of water, we will obtain muddy solution. On observing carefully to the muddy solution, the particles do not dissolve, they settle down at the bottom. And looking to the salt solution, we will observe that there is no particle settled at the bottom and no particle which is undissolved. This explains mixtures have different composition according to its types. Accordingly, mixtures have more two types, which are homogeneous and heterogeneous. So let's talk about homogeneous. Homogeneous mixture have same uniform appearance throughout. Many homogeneous mixtures are commonly referred to as solutions. So what is a solution? A solution is a mixture of two or more substances in a single phase. The substance in a large amount is called solvent and the substance in least amount is called solute. Consider the case of common salt solution which we have prepared earlier. In this, water is the solvent and salt is the solute. Now it's an interesting thing. Homogeneous properties have three more interesting parts, which are liquid in liquid, solid in liquid, and gas in liquid solutions. Let's understand it with some examples. In solution of vinegar and water, both solute and solvent are liquid. Hence, it is liquid in liquid solution. In case of common salt solution, it is a solid in liquid solution. The best example of gas in liquid solution is soda water, as soda water contains carbon dioxide gas. Now let's move on to another topic, which is heterogeneous mixtures. Suspensions and colloids are examples of heterogeneous mixture. A suspension is a mixture in which large particles are there. The size of particles are 10 raised to power minus 5 or large. In a suspension, solute particles do not dissolve but they are suspended throughout the solvent. Muddy water which we have prepared is a good example of suspension. Colloids. Colloids are also heterogeneous mixtures, but they appear like homogeneous mixtures. Milk is a good example of it. Their size is 10 raised to power minus 5. In colloids, particles are evenly distributed throughout the solution. They cannot be seen with the naked eyes. They can only be seen with the ultra microscope. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.